This is Rock My Bean, and today we are going to react to another song from the late 1950s, late
1960s,
the mid 1960s. Surfing Bird from the band Trashmen, and let's listen to it now.
The Twin City stomp of the Trashmen, and these guys. Now, I first heard this song when I was a little kid.
Yeah.
And then I heard it again on the movie A Full Metal Jacket, on the movie about Vietnam War.
Yeah.
The Vietnam War was going on at the time this song came out. And that's when it was in one of the themes, and it fit perfectly because it was during the war this music came out.
Yeah.
So Mark he's only heard bits and pieces of this, right?
Yeah.
You never heard the whole song.
No.
But it's a really weird song.
It's a very weird
The guy's
song.
talking like this. Yeah,
The guy is talking like this, you know?
Yeah, and it's almost...
How would you feel when somebody can talk like this for the rest of your life, huh?
It's almost like a rap because he's kind of talking the whole time. He's not even singing.
Yeah.
But the band is playing, and the band kind of sounds like the Ventures.
Yeah.
But this guy is like doing all these weird sounds with his mouth and everything. So, okay, well, we're going to try this out. I've heard it. I think it's a cool song. We're going to see what Mark thinks.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Let's go.
The Trashmen, SURFIN BIRD.
The Trashmen,
and I'm not sure what year
Bird.
this came out, but I think it was like 65 or something, 66 or something
like
that. Okay, so here we go with SURFIN Bird now.
About the bird, bird, the bird's a winner, well a bird, bird is a winner, well a bird, well a bird is a winner, well a bird, the bird's a winner, well a bird, well a bird is a winner, well a bird, the bird's a winner, well a bird, the bird's a winner, well a bird, well a bird is a winner, well a bird, the bird's a winner, well don't you know about the bird, well everybody knows that the bird is a winner, well a bird, the bird's a winner. Everybody's heard about the bird. The bird's a winner, when a 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 don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's talking about the bird, when a bird. The bird's a winner, when a bird. SURFIN
That was the weirdest song I ever heard. That was the best song I ever heard, but the weirdest song I ever heard because of this. It was like...
Hey, good job on that, man. It was like the singer.
Like Stooges were singing, and I was like...
And they did this.
Like this, like they were coming from swimming for a long time, and they were
shaking the water off,
you know. Oh my goodness, that was
okay. So what do you think of the song?
That was a very good song.
Okay, from 1 to 10, 10 being the most awesome song ever, and 1 being the worst song ever, and 5 being just just good? Or would you
I will give it a 6.
6? Okay, I was kind of surprised. I thought you'd rate it higher, but a 6 it is.
Yep.
Okay, what do you think I'm going to give it?
An 8.
No, I'm going to give it a 7.
7!
It's a little higher than you. I mean, I don't think it's the greatest song ever. It's a good song. I love the cleverness, use of the voice and everything. That's what sets it apart.
That could be a cappella.
Look, it could be. It could be. I mean, really, it's a surfing song.
Yeah.
It's a surfing song, and it was like the Ventures. Came from that period, the Ventures and the Beach Boys. And so that's the kind of style of music it was. It's called Surfing Bird, so it's about surfing. I don't know why. It's just kind of a nonsensical bird. You know, it's just a weird song. It's a weird surfing song, but it's one of those songs that you just remember, you never forget. Completely unique.
Yeah.
So what did you like about the song the most?
I really like the bridge of it.
Oh, the
Ba 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 ba
oh, yeah. Yeah. I agree. That is probably the best part of the song.
Yeah, that's the best part of the song.
I agree. That was really cool. So, anyways, I might play this at your recital. This would be a fun one to do.
Yeah.
And you can dance to it.
Do you think I could play it?
A little too fast for you. He's really moving quick, really moving fast. Mark's a drummer. I'm a drummer. I'm his teacher.
Yeah.
He does recitals every 5 weeks or so when he learns new songs. Friends and family come and listen to him play.
Yeah.
And so he improves his skills when he does it. So that's what we're talking about, recitals. So if you've heard talk about in our show before, that's what we're talking about. All right.
Yeah.
So that is all we have for this reaction. 1960-something, Surfin' Bird by the Trashmen. They must have been a one-hit wonder band. I don't know if they did any other stuff. People, if they did anything else that's really good, let us know what it is. Put in the comments below so we know what to... anything else these guys might have done that was really cool and funny, right?
Yes.
And please, leave your comments below and suggestions for songs that Mark can react to.
Yep.
Anything from the 60s, 70s, 80s, that's where we're at. So stay in those 3 decades, and we'll have Mark react to them.
Yeah.
And we'll have a lot of fun. So thanks again for joining us. All right, Mark, say goodbye to everybody.
See you later, and have a great day.
Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Please subscribe. We'll see you later.
And we'll see you next time.
You all keep smiling, keep rocking, stay happy. Bye-bye.